Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. I'm hitting y'all with a vlog today. I know it has been at least a year, probably more, since I've done one, but that's aside from the point. What we're getting into today is I'm heading to a sneaker event. It's called the Sneaker Exit in Charlotte. Conveniently, it was today. I wasn't even, I don't really normally go to sneaker events. I do a lot of my selling online. I don't really, feel the need to go there, but I was like, I had some people asking me to go, and I was like, it isn't that far from me. It's like a couple miles away, so I'm like, why not? I might just head there, buy a couple personal pairs. That's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna go check it out, see what it's like, maybe get some deals going. Also gonna bring some of the early pairs. As you guys can see, we got the Verdi SB Dunk Low coming this summer, and then we got the Their Skateboards SB Dunk Low coming fall 2024. So we got two early pairs. Maybe we'll do some negotiations, sell those, we'll see. But yeah, mainly just going there to check out the event, see what it's like. That's really all. I could bring all this, but I didn't buy a vendor pass. Also, I would have brought the 40 military blues I have, but those are landing tomorrow, so it's like, oh, like, you know what I mean? It's inconvenient, but you can't get everything you want, so those will land tomorrow. I can't sell them today, obviously, if I don't have them there at the event. So that'll be it. We'll get into it. We're going to bring some early pairs there, and aside from that, we're also, just going to say what's up to some people. We're going to buy some stuff, and that's going to be it. So we're going to check out the Sneaker Exit today. Shout out to them. I just bought my ticket this morning, so if y'all want more content like this, subscribe and like down below, and I'll do more vlogs. If this is what y'all want, just let me know. Drop a like. Let's try and hit 200 on this video. And don't forget, I'll pop up my Instagrams on the screen. You guys can check me out here. Definitely going to be doing another giveaway soon, so make sure you guys are following here and check out my story. Always buying, selling, and trading. But that's all I need to say. I gotta go get some cash out the ATM, because obviously that's what people prefer. When you're doing business in person, you gotta have cash, something like that. I could do Cash App, something like that, but that's inconvenient to some folks. I'm gonna go get some cash out, and yeah, we're gonna get ready for the event, bring these pairs, all that. So next time I'll catch you is probably when we're about to head there. Let's dive into it. All right, so just got back. I got my cash. I got quick little lunch right here. It's right now like 12:20ish, so I'm gonna eat this pretty quick, chill for a little bit. And now we're going to head to the bank. I'm going to get there like a little bit after it starts. Probably going to have to wait in line a little bit. But, that's I don't really care about that. It's not a big deal. And, yeah, we'll just check it out. I'm excited to bring the pairs in, see what people think about them. I'll definitely get some opinions from some, folks that might be may want to be on camera, maybe not. I'm not going to obviously put those people on camera if they don't want to be, videoed. But, yeah, that's really everything I need to say. So that's what I will mention. And, yeah, next time y'all will see me, I'll probably be heading into the event. I might be using my phone or my camera, just kind of dependent on, the shot I'm trying to get, because my phone might just be kind of more for when I'm in the event, making a deal, something like that, because it's a little bit more convenient, a little easier to grab, but also I don't want any background noise. And sometimes my camera, has like a clicking sound. Sometimes it, I fix that, but it depends. We'll see how it is. Why don't we get to the event, though? Next time you see me is in there. Let's go. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm here at the Charlotte Convention Center for the Sneaker Exit. We're going to check it out. I got a couple kicks in my bag, so we'll see what the people think about those, since a couple of those haven't been seen by the public yet fully, a little unreleased. But aside from that, we're just gonna see what's going on in here. I'm definitely gonna buy a pair or two. Gotta make sure I get something for my dad's birthday, something I've been thinking about. So we're gonna look for some size 11. Most importantly, we're gonna do that first. So we're gonna go inside, just gonna give you all a view of it, do some little pano shots, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we'll just check it out, see what it is. So that's it. We'll get started. Here we go, convention centers. Y'all can see, something simple. All right, I'll find it right down there. Thank you. As y'all can see, got a little Jumpman jacks on. Why not? Something simple. Let's continue though. I don't know why, I always get nerves whenever I'm going to something I want to be at. Perfectly normal feeling, I guess, but yeah, that's what we got. So here we are. I gotta make sure my camera's screwed in. Here we are. Yeah, right down here. Thank you. As y'all can see, right down this way, and we have arrived. The Sneaker Exit. First time. Why don't we see what this is about? Not a VIP. Hold up. All right, so down this way, got a little stamp on the arm. It's invisible, but yeah, here we are. We're gonna check this out. Y'all can see we got the vendors right there. We're gonna see what it's about. You know what I mean? I never been, so yeah, I'm here. Got a lot of shoes in here, as y'all can see. Everyone vending. Let's check it out, though. I'm just gonna walk around a bit, give y'all a view of it. Why don't we do that? Let's see. Pretty cool. It's like a small little space, but everyone's kind of in here. You know what I mean? It's nice to see. I like it. Pretty cool. For first impression, I'm rocking with it. So why don't we check this out? We got some boat going on over here. I'm gonna go check it out. Why not? Got some closed. Still some folks setting up. Overall, not bad. So, installed like kind of in like a, again, kind of like a compact space. I'll try and show y'all that, you know what I mean? Kind of all within like a, tight-knit space, but it's pretty nice, Everyone's got like their own kind of little setup. I'm rocking with it overall, so I'm gonna switch my phone for a little bit. We're gonna do that, just kind of look around. I'm gonna look for some deals, because keep in mind, I gotta find that size 11 pair for my dad. That is the most important thing today, since it's his birthday. So we're gonna be doing that first things first. So why don't we go do that? All right, guys, so as y'all can see, 110 for some used Barts, no box. I'm gonna keep these right here. I need something like this for the collection. Hey, bro.
Y'all can check us out on Instagram at Kicks with Value.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Hey, the name is definitely true, Kicks with Value, because 110 for these, no lie, I'll take it, because for the collection, can't go wrong. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, no
Thank
problem.
you.
Have a good one.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. All right, so a little used pair of Barts. I'll take it, because, again, I've wanted these for the collection. I would get a new pair, but it's kind of like new price. I mean, it's like, what, $100 more, but I guess I'm picky today. I don't know. Hey, so I just got a good deal on some eBays right here. It's just a little birthday gift for my dad, size 11. Bro, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, of course, bro. No worries, no worries.
You want to shout out your IG?
Yeah. Follow us on Instagram, 706 Kicks, based in Athens, Georgia.
All right, sounds good, bro. I appreciate it.
Of course, of course.
Lots right here. Good deals for sure. Thank you, man. I've found where all the Foot Locker action is going down. Here it is. I found it. Good job, though. You know what I mean? I never knock somebody's hustle. This is fire. Hella pairs. Packed, though. More people starting to come in. It's good. All right, so not zoomed in on my face anymore, but it is packed in here. People, well, kind of packed. More people are starting to get in here. It's more kind of sellers, but there's still some buyers. I've been in here buying those. Y'all can see I got the birdies out. I bought a pair of Wasso size, though. For the toe, I need a size 9. I got an 11 eBay in here for my pop, so we got that also. And then what else? Yeah, but we're kind of getting tight on the room, so I gotta make sure that I get my stuff packed up, and well, not packed up, you know what I mean, but more kind of like tight knit. So I'm gonna put my camera away and in my bag, and I'm gonna get my jacket back out, and that should give me more room to work with right here. So that's pretty much what we got. But basically, what I'm trying to get at is the rest of the film is gonna be on my phone, because that'll work a little bit better for space, because I'm gonna keep buying shoes. I'm not gonna have room to carry this. So let's continue. Hey man, this guy gave me a great deal for some dunk lows. Give yourself a little shout out, bro.
You already know what time it is. It's your boy Zig Hefe. My clothing brand is
Yes,
Wildlife
sir.
Clothing. Make sure y'all follow us on IG, Wildlife_clothing. Peace.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for the deals, man. Goes a long way. As y'all can see, I'm with my guy right here. What's up? Much love, bro. Look at these right here. Unreleased, the oxidized green force. Super clean. I'm rocking with this right here. Kind of has more of like an aged look to it, as y'all can tell right by kind of like the sole right there. Overall, pretty sick pair. Nice selection. Also got the cherries, some others. I'm rocking with it. It's pretty sick. So nice pair right there. Appreciate you letting me check it out, bro.
Yeah,
Thank you, man.
Sure.
And hold up, I gotta give bro a quick little shout out where it's due. There y'all go. Make sure y'all check out the guy right there. Solid little collection right there. Got some unreleased with him. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. All right, just got these right here. Little size 11. Personal, probably for my dad though, for his birthday. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much.
Hey,
You
y'all
want to shout
go
out your
follow me,
Instagram?
man. That's Sneak Geek, SN33_
Yes, sir.
G33K. Yes,
Yeah, I
sir.
appreciate you guys. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Solid selection here today. A lot of sellers. Pretty good. All right, so I've done most of the buying I need to do. As y'all can see, I got like a bag right there. I got a pair in my backpack also. Y'all can see everyone is still here though, so it's pretty good right now. But again, since I've done most of what I think I need to do, I probably will head out about now, because again, I've already sold a pair. I'll probably stay for a little bit longer, to see what's going on, but I already spent everything, I'm pretty much here to spend, because I'm gonna give myself a little limit. So that's what we got, but still pretty nice. Everyone's here. So yeah, I think there's been a decent amount of people selling stuff. I got a sale on the early pair, so that's pretty cool. Decent amount of people were asking, for like pictures of them, but aside from that, that's really what we got. And yeah, Sneaker Exit though is a good event. I'll say that. It's a good event for buyers and sellers. Like, I didn't even expect to sell a pair, but I got a sale, so that's good. I'll probably be looking to buy another pair of Verdes today. That'll be the goal. So once I get home, I'm gonna buy probably a size 9 of those, because the 9s are cheapest and my guy's running the deal on those. So I want to wait for the big sizes, but I don't, you know what I mean? So we're not going to. And that's my personal size, so worst comes to worst, I keep it, you know what I mean? So
that's the plan. That's what we're doing. And yeah, that's it. So got a couple things. I'm gonna show y'all what we bought. 'Cause I didn't show y'all everything, but we got to connect some people today. That was a cool part, you know, about being here. You know, I didn't expect to meet anybody, but I met some people, so that's pretty cool in itself. And yeah. Hey bro, I'm here with the homie. I just bought some Supreme socks off him. I appreciate you. He also watched this channel, so thank you. Just won the coin flip also. Pretty solid selection right here at the table. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Goes a long way. Had to do some business with the homie, but we got our stuff right here. And now it's probably about time to head out. I've been walking around for like two-ish hours. So, you know, legs getting a little bit tired. But yeah, we sold a pair. We bought some stuff. That's a good day. I'll take it. So we're done. That's it. Yeah. But shout out to Sneaker Exit. They threw a great event. So yeah. I'll definitely be I didn't even show the name, but yeah, I'll be back when it's whenever the next one is. I think they have another one in like Columbia, South Carolina, which is not far, so I'll be there because well, I'll try to be there. I don't know, but I was at this one, so there you go. I'm glad I met y'all, but yeah, that's it. That is that. All right, so that pretty much is it for, you know, my little short stay at the Sneaker Exit. I got some decent shots. I got some great pairs. I sold a pair. Shout out to the guy that bought a pair off me. Hopefully you hit me up on IG because I owe you a box. So yeah, that's really it though. You know, I got 2 pairs in here. I got a Wasso Shad, Veneer Dunk, got a pair of eBays. I got like some shorts and Supreme socks, pair of Yeezy slides, you know, a couple things, you know, just some simple pickups. Some I'm gonna put away and forget about, like I do with a lot of my pairs, and then some of them I'll probably try and flip now. Some I'm just gonna keep for the collection. So yeah, that's really it. But you know, got to show people some early pairs. Maybe y'all will see that on the Sneaker Exit IG, the picture of those birdies and theirs. Maybe you'll see that there. But yeah, that's really what I can say. It was a good event. I was there for a short time. Probably, you know, at about the peak-ish time is when I'm leaving. So it's kind of like, why am I leaving when the event's getting good? But it's like, you know, I'm tired. I want to eat some food. So yeah, that's really what we got. It was a good event, and we got a couple things. But obviously these I brought, but we sold something. So now when I get home, I'm gonna buy another Verdi. That's gonna be the goal, buying another pair of those. And yeah, that'll be it. Getting this video out, film a little outro. But I mean, I guess we could do that right now.
Oh, and there we go. I don't even think I showed you guys the pickups all like in depth, you know, like I kind of showed you all them at once. But here are all the pickups we got. So again, as y'all can see, got some Bape socks, got some Supreme socks, used Bart Simpsons. I'm totally keeping these for $110. I don't care if they're like beat up like this, bro. These are for my collection now. So yeah, we got some Barts to keep, probably. I don't know, haven't fully decided. We got some veneers, great, you know, price in these. Shout out my guy again in the video. $80 and some veneers. Not turning that down any day, even if they're lightly used. Damage box Wasso Sads, $210, size 9. This might be the one I tow because, you know, I want Wasso Sads. I've wanted these for a while. $210's a decent price. The box is, yeah, it's pretty much a relic of the past though. So yeah, rip the box on this one. We'll close that one up and we'll move on. It's literally falling apart each time I open and close it, so I'm just gonna stop doing that. We got a pair of slides right here as well. Might be a birthday gift for the pops. As y'all can see, just got the dark onyx. Excuse me, I actually just scared the shit out of me. And yeah, then we also got the eBay SBs. This will probably end up, oh my gosh, okay, so my mic is just falling apart right there. There we go, just put my mic cover back on. But yeah, eBay's probably end up giving these ones to my dad for his birthday. Very, 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 very lightly used. Pretty much brand new. So hence why, you know, I was able to give them to my dad. The only thing is just that little mark on the inside, but he's not too picky about that. So yeah, just a cool pair for the collection. Shout out my pops. Thank you for always helping me out and support me. So there's a little gift for you. But these ones will all be for sale along with potentially these socks and maybe this pair. I'll probably keep the Barts though. So yeah, it's a great deal. Happy to get it. And yeah, why don't we, because I'm probably am heading into the outro next, so why don't we head into that part of the video.
So yeah, if y'all want to subscribe and like for more content like this, feel free. Check out my Instagrams down below. Don't miss out. I'm always buying, selling, and trading there. And you guys can catch me whenever they bring this to Charlotte. I'll be here. Like, I'll keep doing this. It was easy. It wasn't really stressful. Like, it was really easy to film in there. So yeah, it was just nice. It was good, you know? So I'll leave it at that. And it was even better to meet you guys. So thank you. Everyone that said, you know, came and said what's up, took pictures. I appreciate that. Thank you all. It means a lot. And yeah, everyone I did business with, hopefully y'all followed me too, because that was cool to get some pairs off to you guys. But yeah, I'll be here next time to do an event at the convention center. It's still going on right now, but yeah, I mean, because it goes until like 6 or something like that. But I'm obviously not gonna, I'm not gonna stay here till 6 for that. You know what I mean? 5 hours to stand in, I'm probably good. But a couple hours of it, I'll do it. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know if I should do more vlogs, man. We're just outside enjoying the day. I mean, it is beautiful outside, like calm as I've ever seen it uptown in Charlotte. Probably just because it's Sunday, so nobody's actually up or here. But I'm here for this, so yeah, that's what it was. So let me know if y'all enjoyed the little short vlog we got, and I will catch you on the next video coming soon. We did some phone filming, some camera filming, a little bit of both in this video, but hopefully y'all could hear me, you know what I mean? I think I was covering, I might have been covering my mic a little bit, but I don't think I was. You know, if I was, then it's, you know, it's not the end of the world. But aside from that, got a couple shoes. Yeah, the convention was in there, and that's it. I'll catch you on the next one, though, and see you all then. Should be tomorrow, because I'm posting something today, so this will be out the day after the convention, you know what I mean? So, yeah, hopefully it's understandable. See you then. Peace.
Or it can flow, or it can crash in water, my friend.
Sticks made a fucking